traditional Chinese steamed eggs recipe. Chinese steamed egg is a conventional formula and one of those normal ones that are really tracked down all over China, where cooking styles can be very extraordinary by region. The fixings are just about as fundamental as they get: eggs and water, which gives a false representation of the sensitive flavor and smooth surface you can accomplish with this formula. This formula sets aside little effort to plan and cook, so you don't need to put a lot of time into cooking. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes. Serving, 2. Ingredients: eggs, 4. 1. Water, 1 cup. 2. Vegetable stock, ½ cup. 3. Chicken stock, ½ cup. 4. Chopped chives, ¼ cup. 5. Sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. 6. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. 7. Hot chili oil, 2 tablespoons. Instructions: 1. Take a medium bowl. 2. Add the eggs into the bowl. 3. Beat the eggs with light hands using a fork. 4. Add the water, chicken stock and vegetable stock into the egg mixture. 5. Beat all the ingredients well until they form a homogeneous mixture. 6. Pour the egg mixture into a fine strainer. 7. Pour the egg mixture equally into 2 different bowls. 8. Cover the bowl with aluminum foil. 9. Steam the bowls well for about 20 minutes in a water bath. 10. Let the bowl cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. 11. Remove the aluminum foil from the bowls. 12. Add the hot chili oil, sesame oil, chopped chives and soy sauce on top of the steamed eggs. 13. Your dish is ready to be served.